Rainforests are called rainforests because of the high volume of rain they receive each year. There are rainforests in both temperate and tropical areas. Tropical rainforests are the most talked about. They cover about 7% of Earth's land surface, house about half the plant and animal species on Earth, and receive about 100 to 400 inches of rain a year. Tropical rainforests are called the lungs of the earth because they take in a lot of carbon dioxide, and because they get sun all year long, they produce a big percentage of Earth's oxygen. Tropical rainforests reside within the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Many people are unaware, but there are rainforests in temperate areas between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn and 50 degrees. Tropical rainforests have hundreds of tree species, but temperate rainforests have only about 10 to 20 tree species. Temperate rainforests have most animal, insect, and reptile life at ground level, but in tropical rainforests, life spans from the ground to tree tops. A tropical rainforest has 5 layers: the overstory, the canopy, the understory, the shrub layer, and the forest floor. Trees in the overstory extend 20 to 100 feet above the canopy, which is the ceiling of rainforests. This area of dense tree tops absorbs most sunlight and rain, preventing them from reaching the understory or further down to the shrub level or forest floor. The canopy is home to many animals, like monkeys and birds, whose food is in the canopy, so they rarely, if ever, need to go down to ground level. The forest floor is loaded with life forms, from jaguars to flocks of butterflies to endless insects. Tropical rainforests are home to about half the world's plant and animal species, many of which reside nowhere else on the planet. Although only a small percentage of these plants have been tested for their healing properties, rainforest plants provide ingredients for 1/4 of all medicines. They also provide wood for homes and furniture, rubber that is used in many products, edibles like mangoes, bananas, cashews, and even vanilla comes from rainforests. Rainforests also provide the oxygen humans and animals need. Temperate rainforests play such second fiddle to tropical rainforests, most people don't even know they exist. But temperate rainforests in the southern hemisphere exist in Chile, Argentina, New Zealand, and Australia. At least parts of these forests are more than 100 million years old. However, today these forests are facing their own challenges. The northern hemisphere has temperate rainforests in Western Europe, British Columbia, Alaska, and the United States Pacific Northwest. One gets a lot of visitors because it is an Olympic National Park in Washington State. In 1950, rainforests covered about 15% of Earth's surface. Today, it's about half of that. That means rainforests still take in some carbon dioxide, but a lot of what could have been taken in and stored remains in the atmosphere. Rainforests still produce oxygen, but with a 50% reduction in forest, trees that aren't there can't produce oxygen. Also reduced is the woods and medicines the world uses from these forests. Even though rainforest deforestation has been global news for decades now, today, every year the amount of rainforest that is destroyed is about the size of Panama. There are endless organizations working to save tropical rainforests, but thing is, things aren't getting any better. When a forest is cleared for wood, it is a one-time benefit, and then the forest is gone. But an intact forest will provide sustainable revenue for people who inhabit these forests and harvest the products that provide the rest of the world so many benefits. Tropical rainforests are essential to sustain the livable planet humans have become accustomed to. So be good global citizens and help keep rainforests alive and well.